For decades, if you weren't an Ethiopian citizen, buying property in Addis Ababa was completely off-limits. The law was clear, rigid, and unbreakable. Foreign nationals could not own immovable property. But right now, a historic, unprecedented shift is rewriting the rules of the Ethiopian real estate market. With the gazetting and full implementation of Proclamation No. 1388, the government has officially opened the gates, allowing foreign nationals to legally own residential homes. But here's what the viral headlines aren't telling you. This is not a free-for-all. There are strict capital thresholds and legal landmines. In this video, we are breaking down the exact rules of Proclamation 1388, what it means for your money, and how to safely navigate the market. Let's start with the absolute baseline. How do you qualify? The new law establishes a strict capital gatekeeper. You must meet a minimum investment threshold. To purchase or build a residential unit, you must invest at least $150,000 or its equivalent in an approved convertible foreign currency. This threshold must cover both the property cost and the land lease. The government designed this to ensure an influx of hard foreign currency. Licensed foreign investors already in Ethiopia with $150,000 paid-up capital are automatically eligible to own one residential unit without a separate housing payment. If you want a second home, you have to pay the additional $150,000. By default, you are limited to owning only one residential house. You need to understand the concept of owning the home, but leasing the land. Under the Constitution, all land belongs to the state. Proclamation 1388 creates a two-layered property right. You fully own the building structure, but the land is held via a time-bound leasehold. Crucially, the law mandates that the land must be obtained through a competitive public bidding process. You cannot simply buy an old family home. Your long-term security depends on the remaining duration and renewal clauses of that land lease. Let's look at the absolute red lines. Proclamation 1388 lists for massive prohibitions. 1. No commercial flipping. The property must be used exclusively for residential purposes. 2. Zero domestic financing. You cannot borrow from local banks. Every single cent must be settled in foreign currency. 3. No public housing. Foreigners are barred from government-subsidized condos. 4. The reciprocity principle. Your country must allow Ethiopians the same right. If you play by the rules, the perks are game-changing. First, the law explicitly guarantees your right to repatriate your income. If you sell the property or generate rental income, you are legally entitled to convert and repatriate those funds back out of Ethiopia. Owning a house also solves immigration headaches. It grants you and your family eligibility for multiple entry visas valid for up to 5 years. Addis Ababa's real estate market is entering a new era. Early entrants who understand the legal framework are looking at prime appreciation. If you want a step-by-step breakdown on verifying a developer's land lease, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like.